let's start this match. 3, 2, 1, go. That's the end of the autonomous. The robot's still touching the cone, so it doesn't count. If they would have backed off, that would have been a score for autonomous. Let's start teleop in 3, 2, 1, go. So we have an interesting gameplay here. It looks like both teams are going to just try to start making stacks instead of going for the mobile goal. So once your robot moves, you can't touch it anymore. If it hasn't moved, you can touch it, but once it moves a little bit, you can't touch it anymore, guys. That's the rules. So. All right, looks like all the robots are having issues here. Right now, we got a 2-point score. That could be the deciding match score right there. 2 points. Parking bonus, 30 seconds left. All right, we got 15 seconds left in this match. Could come down to the parking bonus. Robots just need to move. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the match. I think we might have had a tie match there. All blue had to do was get on the parking bonus, but I don't think they were able to do it. So it might be a 2-2 match. A little better than a 0-0 match, but still we can do better.